Fall, fall, fall. Fall is coming whether we want it to or not, and it is already hitting your Dollar Tree stores. Go out there now, grab some of these things, and join me on this amazing shopping haul. I'm so excited! All right, you guys, now, whether we like it or not, fall is on its way. We all know that. And for me personally, this is my favorite time of year. September, basically through like February, is my absolute favorite. July and August are like brutal in Georgia. And yeah, I'm ready for it. So when I see these fall items start to hit the stores, I get super, super excited. Some of them are repeats from last year. You'll see that. But some of them are things that I couldn't grab last year. So that was good. Or there were things that I really ended up using and I just bought again. So this is going to be a mix. There's definitely the majority of fall in the Dollar Tree haul. But there are some things that you can grab right now. That way, when you start decorating for fall, you're ready to go. All right, the very first thing I always seem to find more of in the fall are these wood pieces, these birch pieces. Now, I like these longer pieces, and I do have a DIY idea for those, so I grabbed 4 bags of those. They did have 3 different sizes at my store, and I was kind of excited to see. Now, the other thing about fall that is always really good is back to school, and these little chalkboards are perfect for doing all kinds of fun harvest and fall DIY projects with. So I snagged a couple of these. These are like in the back to school section. I think they're meant for like a locker, and I'm here for them. I love working with them, and I do have a DIY idea for those coming up as well. Now, the other thing that I will grab, and then we will start showing some fall stuff, are these little palette pieces in the Crafter Square section from Dollar Tree, because these kind of make that quintessential kind of palette. You can glue these together and you can literally make a palette. If I had 4 of them, you would see what I was talking about. But you can do a lot of really fun things with these, and I'm also in the idea mode for some of those. Now, some newer fall stuff, or at least new to me, this cute little book stack. They had a couple of these. I think I might have one more somewhere. And it says, leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Yes, it's calling, whether we wanted to or not, it's coming. Now, I thought these were cute. I did grab 2 of these. I have a crazy pile here in front of me that's like strategically stacked. And how cute are these? These galvanized metal signs. One says grateful and one says harvest. Now, what I loved about these is that if you look at them, you can see it's like a kind of a wood sign that's stuck on top of it. Then, of course, it's got that great detail up at the top. And again, these are great for gardens. These are great for outdoors. It's great for your front porch. But also what they're great for is putting onto wreaths and doing different things with them. And you can even redo this little sign if that little sign is not to your liking, and you can clip this stick off with a, you know, the garden stake part with a pair of wire cutters or something, and you can do all kinds of fun things with them. Another fall thing is this very cute truck sign. I loved this so much. The bow you can pop off of there if it's not your jam. But see the truck is an additional like piece that's glued on top of there. So if you take your heat gun, I think you could probably pry this off. And honestly, mine's already coming up a little bit on one side. So I think it'll be pretty easy to pop off of there if you did want to pop it off. But it's also got this really cute metal trim on it. Of course, I love the pumpkins. I've got a DIY idea for this too that I think I'm gonna play around with. And it's inspired by something that I found actually in the pile here. So let's get going. Another new item that I found this year. How cute is that sign? Pumpkin kiss and harvest wishes. I think it should say pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. I don't know. I want more than one kiss. But super, super cute. I mean, you could use it exactly how it is. How would that be like in the middle of a really big wreath? But you also know Dollar Tree signs are fantastic for doing other things on the other side. So again, lots of great options. Lots of really cool options. This is not fall, but I love these. These shower fizzies by Spa Naturals are fantastic if you've got a cold or any kind of congestion. I know for me, I always have seasonal allergies and I get stuffy. I'm probably sounding a little congested right now. These are amazing to have in the shower, and I just keep these in the bathroom at all times in just a little Dollar Tree little glass container, and then anytime I need them, I can grab them. Now, I did not, I think I saw these last year, but I don't think I did anything with them. And I'm sure that they ended up like at a friend's or somewhere like that, but how cute is this placemat? Like, that's adorable. And I grabbed 2 of them. There were only 2 of them that were there. But again, I think this was last year's. So cute. I feel like I've seen this before. So I could be way off. These are back. This is definitely something from last year. And I mean, it's so cute. It's so cute. And those little pumpkins are perfection for using on DIYs. They look fantastic if you just pop them off this string. All it is stapled on the back, so it's super easy to, you know, kind of make a DIY with. These I'm obsessed with. If you find these, grab them. It's this tube mesh, but it's this burlap color. I absolutely love working with this stuff. I try and grab as much of this as I can. Yes, I am that person, but I do use it all. And it is so good. The tube mesh is really good for a lot of different DIY projects. They also have this orange, which, you know, you can see it's probably Halloween. I'm pretty sure this was leftover from last year. I thought it'd be a great color for Halloween stuff, so I grabbed it. They had some really cute, like little floral picky kind of things. Again, super fun colors. These little berry picks, they look fantastic in a wreath. I think that they're super cute, super fun to use. Some stickers, just some fall stickers, which are always super fun to use. Football season and fall. I just love these little signs that have this kind of raised sign. You can kind of see it's like a little raised, you can barely see it there. And I'm sure you guys have seen these before. They make fun, fantastic candle holders and all kinds of really fun things. Here's the other book stack that I found. This is something that I think is new. And Welcome Autumn, super cute book stack. These are so fun in like a tiered tray. And if you don't like this ribbon, you can change it out. I'm gonna change out this ribbon, but I love this color combo, especially for fall. So super cute. And I thought that maybe I'd do a book stack or something. I've never done anything like that. These guys, gorgeous little acorn and little pine cone, little flat bottom, so you can, you know, just set them on a table or something. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, so we can. There, now I'm decorated for fall. Those, I'm pretty sure I've seen those before in the past. And then I love, I broke mine from last year, this Mercury Glass, especially this orange. It's so good. And when this is all lit up, it is gorgeous in there because of all the silver that's in there and the little holes. The lights for these are incredible. I was so glad to find these. I bought 4 of them because I do want to do something on my fireplace mantle with them, and I think that they're going to be amazing. Some Dollar Tree ribbon is already out, and these are fun. Great color combos, especially for fall. You know how much I love fall. If you don't, I'm telling you now, I really love fall. These I've seen last year. I actually broke mine last year, so I did grab another one. And they've got the dishes. They've got everything coming out with this whole pattern. I've seen some of the little plates and some of the larger plates at my store already, so definitely grab them. I'm going to switch gears for just a minute here and grab just a couple random little things that I found. This is so freaking cute, and hopefully it just didn't break it. And I didn't. It is a bath bomb, but it has a candle in the middle of it, and it floats. How cute is that? You've got to go and find this right now. It's a bath bomb, and it floats. And it's a floating candle at the same time. So like as the bath bomb dissolves, then I guess the candle wax falls into the tub. I would imagine you could scoop it out before that happened. But how cute would that be for a stocking stuffer? I think that would be amazing. And yes, I just said stocking stuffer, and it's like August, but that's okay. I really like this vitamin C mask. I've been doing these a couple times a week, and I'm definitely seeing a difference in my skin. These I thought were just fun. If you saw my bathroom wallpaper kind of makeover, then you know that I like fragrance and cologne. And these are like pocket colognes for men. How cute are these? They are little thin, almost like a stick of gum. And this particular one is cedar wood scented, and this particular one is bergamot spice scented. Now, I really like cedar wood. I like bergamot. So I thought maybe they'd be pretty good. So for $1.25 each, why not? And even if it's something like that is like okay, and I don't want to wear like an expensive fragrance or something, I could throw this in my bag when I'm traveling. Like, I thought that they could be really, really good, and I will definitely smell them before I put them on, that's for sure, and stay close to home in case they're a little stinky. These little hay bales are always so much fun. These are definitely from last year, and I grabbed them because they make such little cute signs. Sorry about that, somebody called. So the next thing I grabbed were some pumpkins, because these are always super, super important, because, you know, you gotta love pumpkins. And I love these pumpkins. These little clip-on pumpkins are fantastic for wreaths, but you can also, something just fell. You can also just take those clips off if you want to. And then these even have like little strings or little wires on the back. So they're pretty easy to put onto a wreath or a floral arrangement. Super, super cute sign. I'm pretty sure this is also from last year. I love that it's got this metal piece here because it's got this great cutout here. And if you wanted to replace like a piece of fabric or something behind there, you totally could. And that, to me, is super, super cute. Let's see, these little bales of hay are always fun to grab, and they seem to go pretty quick. Florals, especially the leaves. I'm all for fall leaves. I have an oak tree outside of the window right in front of me, and it's not starting to turn yet, but I'm like wishing on it every single day, like start changing to this color, start changing to this color, because again, I'm all about fall and I'm ready for fall. Now, this is something you want to grab now. This is a summertime thing, and if you can, if you've got these still in kind of like where the summer stuff is maybe kind of starting to thin out, you can find these raffia, these like, it's a hula skirt essentially, but I mean, not essentially, it's a hula skirt. And the raffia pieces are great to use for wreaths, by the way. So if you don't have any raffia, like that's great because it's nice and long, and I find that it's better than those little bundles that they sell at Dollar Tree. Couple more things. I found some decor pieces. I know these are from last year because I had these last year. Sorry for the reflection there, but the little buffalo check leaves, it's a package of 8, and such a great deal. And they're only, they're only $1.25. I gotta keep remembering, $1.25. And then, these wood plaques, these are definitely from last year. It seems like every single season they're coming out with these. And then I also grabbed a black one, and it's just got the little pumpkin cut out to it. Great to use for lots of different things. In fact, Sarah Jane from Chic on the Cheap used one of these and cut off the kind of laser cutout part in a gorgeous fall floral arrangement for her dining room table, or I think maybe it's gonna go in her kitchen, but anyway, it was gorgeous and I really liked it. This is an old thing, and I was shocked that it didn't like ring up at 50% off or something, but it's a congratulations class of 2021 frame. But I wanted the frame. I wanted the frame for a DIY project. So more to come there. I grabbed these cute astrology books. They had these for all the different astrological signs. I'm a Taurus. So I grabbed this because I thought, why not read it? I don't necessarily believe in all that, but I do like to read it and I like to follow it. Then I found some new wallpaper. You guys know I love the wallpaper. Now, this one kind of looks like flooring. They have one that kind of looks like shiplap. It's very, very similar to this, and this is more gray tones and more kind of rustic tones. And I was thinking that maybe for a photography backdrop or something like that, but I thought that that could be even just really cool. Imagine like that cutting board sign and covering it with this and then doing a real cool painting or decal or something over top could be fun. And then there was this one. Look at these silvery kind of stripes in there. I thought that that was really, really pretty. Oh, look, there's the piece of the wood one. And I really liked these. I only grabbed a couple of these because I do want to just kind of use them as a DIY. I don't want to like change my bathroom up or anything like that again. But yeah, that is it. That is fall. I'm so excited for fall. And I know that some of this stuff is repetitious, but you know, they're probably trying to you know, just stock the shelves with everything and anything they can. And I'm here for it because I love fall. All right, guys, take care. I'll chat with you later. Bye-bye.